few quick formatting tips that we have discovered works really well in a professional use. Lots of people have reports where it's just a bunch of white squares floating around, but for those of you with more of a PowerPoint background or experience, you will understand the benefit of having borders and shadows around. So just some quick tips, and it's very easy to do. Select a visual, go to the format pane, and go ahead and type in border right there. Turn that visual border on. Now I like to set this to have rounded corners like you see here. If I type that in again, border, I already had it at 7, but you can see 0, it just becomes a square. I like to have that right around 7 or 8 is my magic number. Cool, kind of gives it a nice little curve. Now the second thing I like to do is add a shadow, and that's as easy as a toggle right here. So I type in shadow, and it's a toggle on or off for this guy. I'm going to do it also on for this one. And you can change the offset, change the position of the shadow, or even the color of the shadow, but I feel like this is a very simple formatting that anyone can use to make their visuals pop.